Friday. Good late morning to you. Jayme King here in the Fox 35 Weather Center. It's time for your Fox 35 AM weather app update, 10:03 to be exact. And temperatures on par to hit those mid-70s today. Already 73 down coast at Melbourne compared to 56 over north central Florida and Alachua County, Gainesville. So here's the deal on the day. Looking for clouds to continue to rise on up and increase through noon. And at 3 and the 6 o'clock, we'll call it mostly cloudy. Pretty strong weather system brewing up out to our west. You can see the counterclockwise wrap here, the water vapor loop over Texas. That's driving a strong line of showers and storms over the north central Gulf of Mexico, and that is gradually moving our way. Back behind that around Denver, another front looming large, and that'll help to cool us down. So the first system, while it's rather strong, it's kind of a wet weather type phenomena. And then to the north and west of that spin there in Texas is our secondary front moving through Denver, Colorado now, and that is going to bring some cool change for us as we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Look at the forecast modeling. You see those rain chances ramping up later tonight into Thursday, so just shy of 10 a.m. tomorrow, essentially this time tomorrow, active weather moving in. You see there the spur of the panhandle around Panama City Beach. That's the actual squall line that kicks on shore, and you'll see that moving through as we get into the early mid-afternoon here in Orlando, and then clearing out through the Space Coast as we head toward 5, 6, 7 o'clock Thursday evening. Then that secondary batch of moisture arriving with front number 2. Again, some scattered showers. I don't think much of a thunderstorm or severe weather threat, but it will bring some marked change in the temperature department, as told by our 7-day forecast, highlighting windy, cooler weather by Friday, high there of 63. I'll give you close to 60 Saturday if we get there, even despite full central Florida sunshine. Looks like waking up in the 30s north central Florida by Saturday and Sunday. 40s will keep it close to the upper 30s, but not quite there around here by Sunday morning for Metro Orlando, averaging out around 41. Have a great day, and of course we'll be in tonight. Glenn will be here, Fox 35 News at 5. More of the forecast behind me and more on the Fox 35 weather app. Your PM update with Glenn Richards tonight at 5. Have a great day. We'll talk soon. Meet here tomorrow. How about that? Tomorrow 10 o'clock, we'll see you for that Fox 35 AM weather app update. Have a great day.